Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a very simple earwax extraction for you today. So you can see some very soft sticky wax in this ear canal. It's sticky because the patient will be using a little bit of olive oil, which can sometimes make the wax a little bit tacky. As you can see, it's breaking away in smaller clumps here. Using a standard size Zollner tube, we're working in the outer third of the ear canal, so plenty of room in there. I'm just getting a grip on some of the harder pieces. You can see how this is stretching. There's obviously a little bit of drier skin in here, a little bit of sort of keratinous tissue, which is coming away quite nicely. Just wiggling that out. That bit's broken off the ends. We're going to get the next section. You tend to find that will bind the wax together a little bit or run through the wax, makes it very difficult to remove, so that needs to come away first. Another nice big piece there. There we are, just removing some of the dry skin and softer material which you'll see getting sucked into the machine. Just wiggling it around so that we can manoeuvre it out of the ear canal, and there it goes. Leaving behind lovely shiny eardrum, little couple of patches of oil on there. But thank you very much for watching, and as always guys, if you do like the videos then please like, share, subscribe and take care.